Good morning and welcome back to The Naked Cactus. Today is the 1st of December. Now I'm sure the vast majority of you will be busy making your festive plans, putting up your Christmas decorations. Now I, on the other hand, am busy cleaning. I'm still emptying boxes, trying to find homes for things. Now I say because I'm on my own for a few days. Steve has returned to the Carrés. If you watched the last video, you'll remember that we bid and won on several items at an auction. Now Steve has gone back to collect them, including the dining chairs that I was very excited about. There's also a dining table, there's a couple of paintings, a few other bits. Plus, he's going to be bringing back some of our belongings from storage to hopefully make this house feel more like a home. Now some of you are asking, where have you moved to? So we are in Baume-les-Mimosas in the Var department. If you look at a map of France, we're right down on the south coast, on the Med, roughly halfway between Toulon and Saint-Tropez. So that'll just give you a bit of an idea. Now Baume is a beautiful old village. I can't wait to show you around there. I think we'll do a walk around in the next couple of weeks just so you can see what it's like, because it's just lovely. We also have 12 sandy beaches nearby in our immediate area. Yes, 12, it's really cool. And it's one of these beaches that I'm going to take you to this afternoon. It's a bit overcast at the moment, but it's due to be a glorious afternoon. So I thought we would take Finn for his first ever trip to the beach. Now, you know he loves the water. At the campsite, he was always in the river, jumping off the jetty into the lake, swimming around. He's been to the lake beaches in the Carrés before. However, this one's a little bit bigger, but I'm convinced he's going to absolutely adore it. But to get to the beaches, we have to go through the town of Lavandou. This is an old fishing village, and it's lovely. It's a really nice, bustling town now. There's lots of bars, lots of restaurants, and a gorgeous marina. Now this is where I'm going to take you to this evening, because at 5 o'clock they are switching on the Christmas lights. So I thought we would wander down there about half past 4ish. I'm walking everywhere at the minute, and we've been here 2 weeks, and I think I've used my car once just to do a big supermarket shop. It's really good. I'm figuring out where everything is, exploring all the different roads. We're visiting the parks, all the dog walking paths. I'm meeting lots of fellow dog walkers who we're always stopping to have a little chat, which is really nice. So that's this afternoon and this evening sorted. So I'm outside the main entrance door now because I thought it was an ideal opportunity to show you around apartment number 1. This is the one we're currently living in. We can discuss, I'll show you all the rooms, and then I will discuss with you some of our plans, what we're hoping to achieve in the future. Obviously, we've not been here that long. Everything's not set in stone yet, but we're in agreement, I think, on what we want where and what our projects should be. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so I've turned the camera around. I've got my back to the entrance gates, and you're looking at the main door into the house. And this window here is the kitchen window. So let's go in. You've got a puppy dog. Hello, Finn. Good boy. Right, so I've currently got my back to the door, the main entrance door that we've just walked through. And if I turn to the left, you'll see that there are another 2 doors. The first one is just a separate loo and wash hand basin. And the second one was just storage for the previous owners. It was all shelves. And that's got access to the loft. So if I turn around to the right, we've got a door here that houses all the electrics coming into the house, and the second one is the kitchen. So it's quite a small kitchen, but it's functioning very well. The previous owners took the dishwasher from here. They also took the oven from the left-hand side. We've not had an oven since we left the campsite in March, so it's not proving to be a problem. On the one occasion that we did need one, apartment 3 has actually got an oven, so we just nipped downstairs and cooked down there. Now we've got wanting to make quite a lot of changes in here. One of them being on this back wall. So I'll just turn the camera around and try and explain it to you. Okay, so behind this wall here, about this point all the way down, is the outside space and the entrance for apartment number 2. So when we get to here onwards, we're actually in apartment number 2 in the bedroom, and we're hoping to knock through here to create a bigger kitchen. Now, because we like knocking walls down so much, we're also going to take shelves out, all the units out, and completely knock down this wall. It'll be a bit easier to show you from the other side. Okay, you're balanced on the settee now. So I'm in front of the wall that I was just talking about. Imagine all of this is gone, open plan kitchen. The pillar has to stay because that's supporting. You can see the entrance door just around the corner. This wall, so bedroom for apartment number 2 is behind. So we're going to be taking out about a metre and a half of this wall. So not only is the kitchen going to be open plan behind, it's also going to extend into apartment number 2. It's quite dark at the moment in there. So I think once everything's open plan, the wall's down, we've got the light coming in through the 2 big glass doors, it's just going to be a much lighter, brighter space. Now, something we've always wanted is a pantry. So beyond the new extended kitchen to be is the entrance hall and the external door for apartment number 2. So I just think that is going to, we could create a pantry somehow in that area. We're not 100% sure yet, so we'll start knocking some walls down and see what space we can play with. Okay, the rest of the lounge. So the archway here from the lounge into the bedroom, we're hoping to block up. I really don't like the idea of just going straight from the lounge into the bedrooms and the bathroom. We're hoping to create a corridor through the first cupboard, storeroom, shelving place that I showed you before. I think it's going to run just a corridor that runs along the back and into what will be the main bedroom suite here. Bedroom number 1. All we've really done in here is take out the wardrobes that were against this wall. We're currently living out of boxes. We've not really sourced anything out for clothes yet. It's still quite a good sized room. Into the bathroom, there's a double shower, hand basin, and a lovely view onto the hills. Bedroom number 2, and as you can see, this is the room where everything is going into quarantine just as we sort out all the boxes. We've got Christmas decorations, we've got suitcases, paperwork. And the plans for this room are to turn it into a dressing room. The 3 rooms here are really going to be like the master suite. So we're going to have the dressing room here. The bathroom we want to turn into an ensuite for the master bed. So we're hoping, instead of the doorway being where it is, to actually in this corner knock a doorway through, so it's an ensuite for just this bedroom. And then out onto the terrace. This really is where we're spending most of our time at the moment. It's just a beautiful, beautiful space. Hello, Finn. You can say hi. He's a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. That was apartment number 1. I'd love to know what you think. Would you do anything differently? Do you like our plans? Maybe you've seen something we haven't seen yet. Maybe you've got ideas that we haven't thought about yet. Let us know in the comments below and I'd love to read them. Okay, time for some lunch and then we're off to the beach. Are we going to the beach then? Are you excited? Yeah. Come on then, let's go. Come on. Good boy. Come on then. I think we can say the beach was a huge success. You like it? Was that fun? Yes. Good boy. This feels really strange as it's just been such a warm, beautiful day, but we're on our way to see the Christmas lights being turned on. We are in Lavandou, ready for the light switch on in about, I think, 10 minutes. Just let me turn my camera around because I want to show you this. if Finn will let me. How beautiful is that? I can hear a band and I can hear lots of people, and I think we should go and investigate. Just loving all the twinkly lights on the boats. It's so pretty. Yay, come on then. Good boy, good boy. So that has just been a lovely, lovely evening. We've spent nearly 3 hours walking around. There's just been so much to look at and so much to do. And it's a shame Steve wasn't here, but I've read on a poster that throughout the month of December, every night there's either a singer, a DJ or a band playing. So I'm sure as soon as he returns, we'll be back down here. Okay, I think this is the perfect time to end this vlog. So thank you very much for watching, for spending the 1st of December with me. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you all soon. Good night.